I looked into the VEVOR portable chainsaw mill, and honestly, it's surprisingly capable for something in the $100 range, but it's not without its limitations. The build quality is better than you'd expect. Aluminum rails, steel brackets, and hardware that doesn't feel flimsy. If you pair it with a decent chainsaw, you can actually mill usable slabs for small woodworking projects. For hobbyists or anyone wanting to try milling without spending a fortune, it's a legit entry-level tool. But here's where expectations matter. This isn't a professional-grade mill. The setup takes time, the alignment requires patience, and the cut quality depends heavily on your chainsaw's power and the sharpness of your ripping chain. If your saw is underpowered, the mill will struggle on anything thicker than small logs. Users say it works best for occasional milling, not for cutting dozens of slabs or heavy hardwoods. The lack of advanced features like adjustable height knobs or precision rails means you'll need to measure carefully and check your setup often. So, can a $100 million actually work? Yes. As long as you treat it like what it is, a budget tool for beginners and light-duty use. If you need pro-level performance, you'll want something more robust.